how to join a group on Telegram. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to join Telegram group. So in order to join a Telegram group, first thing first, you'll need to update your application. Now there are different ways of joining a group. So first one is you can join a group through an invite link. So if you receive an invite link, you'll be receiving it on the Telegram. All you have to do is just tap the link and it's gonna automatically direct you to the particular group. And it also indicates that you've successfully joined the group. And however, if you want to join a public group, you'll need to search for it. So go ahead and type in the username or the group name, and after that you'll be able to see the join button located right at the bottom. Go ahead and tap the join button, and as soon as you can see, you've successfully joined the particular group. Similarly, if you don't want to join this particular group and want to remove yourself, go ahead and tap the three dot icon and click on leave channel. Just tap the leave button. Once you've done that, you've successfully joined the Telegram group as well as removed yourself. So in this way you can join a group on Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.